Are you planning a trip to Peru?
Stop right there and avoid the #1 mistake that people make when planning a trip to Peru.
Don't skip Lima!
Don't!
So we're going to help you out with that because we've made a hyper-curated route where you're going to see really the best. Great restaurants, cool neighborhoods, history, culture, colors, context for your entire Peru trip. We are going to set you up.
It is an itinerary that originally we designed for closest friends and families before we decided to open Lima Gourmet, and we've been 15 years in operation.
Woo!
As Sam said, it's not only about great food, but it's about experiencing Lima, seeing different neighborhoods. We cover iconic districts like Barranco, Miraflores, San Isidro. What do we do in these districts?
What can we expect in these 5 hours? So as an older millennial, we had to include organic Peruvian coffee, typical breakfast sandwiches,
The
and
breakfast
foods.
that just won the best breakfast in the world, by the way. Sorry, continue.
So come try it on the tour. Also a market visit where you can try different fruits and see produce, chili peppers, things that you're not going to find anywhere else. What else can we expect?
Well, we wanted the experience to be interactive as well, not just going to a place and try a few things. So you're going to be spending time with a chef that is going to give you the secrets of our national dish. You're going to be spending time with bartenders as well, making a really cool cocktail, so you can go back home and replicate the Peruvian experience with your friends and make them jealous.
Absolutely.
It's all about that.
On the day tour as well, we really end on a high note because we are sitting within an archaeological complex that is over 1,500 years old, trying award-winning natural Peruvian wines, and really getting to take in the setting right in the center of Lima. All of this, of course, includes pick up and drop off from your hotels, your guide, which we don't even like organized tours. So the guide is really like a friend that has a lot of knowledge of their city. They're their own ambassadors, really, of Peru. So that's the idea. That's all included. You don't have to do the research. You don't have to think about anything. You have it all on a plate served to you.
I like that because you could spend days and days in Lima. There are so many good restaurants, but most of the people that come to Peru have limited time, so we have selected what we really think are the best places that give you like just more than food. It gives you culture, history, different settings. So don't miss this experience if you come to Lima.
And don't skip Lima.
Don't skip Lima.
All right, see you here.